Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Lovable.dev, an innovative platform that makes web development faster and more accessible, especially with AI-driven capabilities. Whether you're a founder, a designer, or developer, this platform is geared to revolutionize how you approach building web applications. Stick around as we explore how Lovable can streamline the development process, saving you time and effort. By the end, you have a clear idea if Lovable is the right choice for your web development needs in 2024. Let's get started. Lovable.dev is an AI-powered web development tool designed to help anyone, from non-technical users to experienced developers. The platform helps build web applications without writing traditional code. By simply describing what you want to create in your own words, Lovable generates fully functional applications complete with a beautiful UI and the backend functionality you need. Imagine this. Instead of spending hours writing front-end code, debugging, or creating static prototypes, Lovable lets you describe your project, and within moments, the AI brings it to life. This tool can transform your basic idea into a polished web application ready for deployment. It's 20 times faster than traditional coding, according to the platform's claims. One of the standout features of Lovable is its ability to integrate with your GitHub account, allowing seamless code syncing. This means you can easily export the code and work with it in your favorite code editor. It's also flexible enough to support custom backends, offering integrations with databases and API functionalities. So, whether you're building a prototype or a fully fledged product, Lovable's versatility has you covered. Now let us talk about the main features of using Lovable.dev. AI-driven development. Describe your idea and let the AI generate your web app. It handles the heavy lifting for you, giving you a fully functional application ready for deployment. Intuitive interface. Lovable's platform is designed to be user-friendly, offering live rendering of your website, real-time undo functions, and even collaboration tools. You can branch and collaborate seamlessly, which makes it ideal for team projects. Customize and control. Once Lovable creates your app, you don't just get a static product. You have the ability to edit and fine-tune anything and everything. You can click on elements to select and edit them by describing changes you need, making it highly customizable. Beautiful UI UX. The platform follows best practices in UI and UX design, ensuring your project not only functions well, but also looks great. No need for third-party tools like Figma to bring your design to life. Backend support. Beyond just the front end, Lovable offers support for databases, API integrations, and custom backend setups, giving you a full-stack solution. GitHub integration. This is a huge plus for developers. By syncing with GitHub, you can keep your project's codebase updated automatically, facilitating collaboration and advanced workflows. Deployment. When you're ready, deploying your project is as simple as a simple click. Whether you're sharing it for internal testing or going live, Lovable handles deployment with ease. Now let us talk about the pricing of using Lovable.dev. Lovable offers several pricing tiers, starting with a free plan. Here's a breakdown. There's a free plan that is ideal for hobbyists or small personal projects. It gives you access to most of Lovable features, but with certain usage limits. Now there's a starter plan for $20 per month. It is perfect for casual users who need more flexibility and private project options. There's a launch plan which is $50 per month, a scale plan which is $100 per month, and an enterprise plan that is custom plan for larger teams with advanced needs. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of using Lovable. First, the pros. Super fast. With Lovable's AI-driven approach, you can create web applications in a fraction of the time it will take using traditional development methods. It is user-friendly. You don't need to be a developer to use Lovable effectively. It's accessible to non-technical users, making it ideal for founders, product designers, and marketers. Customization. Even though it is AI powered, Lovable still gives you fine control over the design and functionality, letting you tweak every aspect of the application. Full stack. It supports both front-end and back-end functionality, allowing you to build complete applications. Deployment made easy. One-click deployment simplifies the process of sharing or launching your projects. How about the cons? Limited advanced features. For seasoned developers or teams working on highly complex projects, you may find the platform's capabilities a bit limiting compared to fully custom-built solutions. Learning curve for new users. While the platform is designed to be intuitive, first-time users might need some time to get used to describing the ideas effectively to the AI. Price. While the free plan is great for small projects, the paid plans might be a bit steep for casual users or those with limited budgets. So, is Lovable.dev the right tool for you? It's an incredibly powerful platform, especially for product teams, solopreneurs, and designers who want to rapidly prototype or build web apps without getting bogged down in the technical details. The AI-powered approach makes it faster and easier than ever to create high-quality software. And with features like GitHub integration, full-stack support, and one-click deployment, it offers a lot of value for teams looking to streamline the development process. However, for those working on large-scale, highly complex applications, Lovable may not replace the need for a dedicated development team. If you are a seasoned developer or need total control over the code base and architecture, you might find this tool limiting. Overall, Lovable is a game changer for anyone looking to quickly turn ideas into functional applications with minimal coding efforts. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Webflow, Bubble, and OutSystems. That's all for today's review of Lovable.dev. I hope this video helped you get a better understanding of whether it's the right platform for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.